Okay, now we're going to build the rest of the navigation elements. You can do this the same way, you just repeat the steps. I find it helpful to just use a copy and paste method. So components with variants can just be copied and made into completely different components. So I'm going to name this, instead of nav home, I'm going to name it nav schedule. And this looks like I forgot to put the /home here. Okay, so like I said before, you can drag these around and put them where they're helpful. Okay, so I'm going to copy this, Command C. I'm going to go into my nav schedule and select the home icon and choose Edit, Paste to Replace. So very cool feature. Edit, Paste to Replace. Okay, so you may notice, like, if you want to select two of the same thing, this needs to be changed to yellow. We'll do that. Oh, I have them both selected. Okay, so let's click in that, change that. Okay, so this feature, I want this both to say schedule. So up at the top, there's this just awesome feature that says multi-edit variants. So I think I can change this, maybe not. Yep. So I can edit this one and that one at the same time. Super handy. You can do that with as many variants as possible. If you had 20 variants, it would edit them all the same, which is pretty awesome. Okay, I'm going to demonstrate that one more time. This time I'm going to say edit, duplicate, and this one this one's called favorites. So I'm going to copy this one. I'm going to rename this nav favorites. Okay, click that object, edit, paste to replace, edit, paste to replace, change the color to yellow. I'm going to grab the text, choose this multi-edit button so both of them are selected, and type favorites. Favorites. I think that's correct. If that's confusing, unselect that and just change them at the same time. All right, go ahead and do that for the rest of the buttons, and we'll move on to the next step.